Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we hunt down the best betting promotions, bonuses, and working promo codes so you can get the most value every single time you play. Today we're diving deep into BetRivers promo codes for May 2026, all updated, fully working, and ready for you to claim right now. If you're searching for a reliable, fast-paying online sportsbook and casino that actually delivers on its promises, BetRivers continues to be one of the strongest options available across the United States this month. Whether you're a complete beginner who has never placed a sports bet before, or an experienced player looking for fresh boosts, this comprehensive guide will walk you through everything. We'll cover the latest welcome offers, how to activate them with the right promo codes, ongoing daily and weekly promotions, casino bonuses, loyalty rewards, banking options, mobile app features, smart betting strategies, and plenty of tips to help you maximize your experience in May 2026. So stay with me until the end because there are multiple layers to these deals that most people miss. Let's kick things off with the biggest attraction for new users, the BetRivers Second Chance Welcome Bonus. Right now, in May 2026, new players across eligible states can take advantage of a generous second chance bet worth up to $500. Here's how it works in simple terms. You sign up, make a qualifying deposit, place your first real money bet on any sport or market you choose, and if that bet loses, BetRivers refunds it as a bonus bet up to the maximum amount allowed in your state. In powerhouse markets like Pennsylvania, Michigan, Illinois, and Indiana, you can often get the full $500 protection. In New Jersey and a few other states, the cap might sit at $250 or $100, but it's still an excellent risk-free way to start your betting journey. Some of the most reliable BetRivers promo codes active this month include LSRRIV, USBTRV, Covert S Bonus, SBR Bonus, and several state-specific variations like NJBRV or PAKSINO 250. While many offers activate automatically when you join through a special affiliate link, manually entering one of these codes during registration or in the promotion section can sometimes unlock higher limits or additional free bets and spins. The minimum deposit is usually just $10, which makes it incredibly beginner-friendly. After your first bet settles, the bonus bet credit appears in your account quickly, typically within minutes to a few hours. Remember that bonus bets usually come with a short validity period, anywhere from 7 to 30 days depending on your state, and they often require minimum odds of -200 or better. But compared to many competitors, BetRivers keeps the terms fair and transparent, which is why so many players stick with the platform long term. Once you receive that bonus bet, use it wisely. Instead of throwing it all on one risky long shot, consider splitting it across 2 or 3 value bets with solid research behind them. This approach gives you multiple shots at turning the free credit into real withdrawable cash. BetRivers is much more than just sports betting. Their online casino section is packed with high-quality games and its own set of generous promotions running strong in May 2026. New casino players can often claim up to $500 in cashback on net losses during their first 24 hours of play. Other deals include deposit match bonuses, plus bundles of free spins on popular slots. Promo codes like SBR Bonus and Casino Back have been especially effective for activating these casino welcome packages. Inside the casino, you'll find hundreds of exciting titles from top software providers. Everything from high RTP slots with massive progressive jackpots to live dealer tables for blackjack, roulette, baccarat, and game shows. If you enjoy spinning reels, you can chase big multipliers and bonus rounds on themed slots, or play classic table games with professional dealers streaming in real time. The casino also runs frequent slot tournaments and leaderboard challenges where you can compete against other players for cash prizes, extra spins, and bonus credits. These events are perfect for May because they often tie into major sports seasons, giving you double the entertainment value. For existing BetRivers customers, the promotions never stop. The site and app feature a dedicated promotions tab that updates regularly with fresh offers. In May 2026, we're seeing strong MLB season boosts, player prop specials, parlay insurance on multi-leg bets, and boosted odds on key matchups. If basketball playoffs are still active or major soccer leagues are heating up, you'll find tailored promotions for those as well. One of the best ongoing features is the Rush Rewards loyalty program. Every bet you place and every spin you make earns you points that move you up through multiple tiers. Higher tiers unlock faster payouts, bigger bonus offers, personalised promotions, and even dedicated account managers in the top levels. The platform's banking system is another area where BetRivers really shines. Deposits are fast and straightforward, using PayPal, major credit and debit cards, online bank transfers, and in some states even cash at partnered retail locations. Withdrawals are processed efficiently, often landing in your account within 1 to 3 business days depending on the method. Security is top-notch, with advanced encryption, and they promote responsible gaming with easy-to-use tools like deposit limits, loss limits, timeout periods, and self-exclusion options. This focus on player safety makes BetRivers a platform you can feel good about using. The mobile app deserves special praise too. It's clean, fast-loading, and packed with useful features. You can place bets in play while watching live events, access real-time statistics, use the quick bet builder, and even stream selected games directly in the app. The search function is excellent, letting you find specific teams, players, or markets in seconds. Whether you're at home, on your lunch break, or traveling, the app makes betting convenient and enjoyable. Push notifications keep you updated on new promotions, upcoming boosts, and when your bonus bets are about to expire, so you never miss an opportunity. Let's talk strategy for a few minutes, because using promo codes and bonuses effectively can make a huge difference in your long-term results. When you receive that second chance bonus bet, look for edges in markets you understand well. Maybe player props in baseball, over-under totals in basketball, or moneyline value in soccer. Always shop the odds and compare with other books if possible, though BetRivers consistently offers competitive lines. For casino players, focus on games with favourable house edges and take full advantage of any loss-back periods by managing your sessions smartly. Keep detailed notes of your play if needed, so you can track performance over time. Another smart move is to combine sports and casino offers when possible. Some months, BetRivers allows you to use parts of your bonus on either side, giving you flexibility. Stay active in the loyalty program because the points add up faster than you think, especially during big sports seasons when you're betting more frequently. And always read the full terms and conditions for each promotion. While BetRivers is known for reasonable wagering requirements, knowing the exact playthrough rules helps you plan better. Customer support is available around the clock through live chat, email, and phone. Most players report quick and helpful responses, whether you have questions about activating a promo code, understanding bonus terms, or resolving a technical issue. This level of support builds trust and keeps the experience smooth. May 2026 is shaping up to be an exciting month for sports fans, with baseball in full swing, potential playoff basketball, international soccer tournaments, and more. BetRivers has positioned itself perfectly with relevant promotions that match the calendar. If you're in Pennsylvania, Michigan, New Jersey, Illinois, Indiana, Virginia, or any other live state, now is a great time to join or increase your activity. To recap the top working promo codes right now, try LSR Right V for the main sports second chance offer up to $500. USB TRV as a versatile code that often works across both sports and casino. SBR bonus for casino loss refunds and free spins, plus any state-specific code shown on the official promotions page. The best practice is to use trusted links, enter the code exactly as shown, and verify your account fully before depositing so everything goes smoothly. Thanks so much for watching this extended and fully updated guide on BetRivers promo codes for May 2026. We put in extra detail so you have all the knowledge you need to make the smartest decisions possible.
If this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss future promo updates. Drop a comment below letting me know which state you're playing from, what your biggest BetRivers win has been, or which promotion you're most excited to try this month. Gamble responsibly at all times, set a clear budget, never bet money you can't afford to lose, take regular breaks, and remember that betting should always be fun entertainment first. If you or anyone you know needs help with gambling, reach out to the responsible gaming resources available on the BetRivers site or national helplines. I'll be back very soon with more fresh promo code roundups, strategy videos, and big bonus guides for other top sportsbooks. Until then, bet smart, stay disciplined, play safe, and good luck out there this May. We'll catch you in the next video. Take care and see you soon.